Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you've been on the hunt for a stemless martini glass, then you'll want to check out this 6-pack from Amazing Abby. And let me tell you why. First of all, this, although looking like a glass, is actually plastic. And not just any ordinary plastic, but unbreakable plastic. Now you can enjoy a beverage with peace of mind, knowing that if it gets tipped over or knocked over, that it's not going to break. This is like no other martini glass. No more mess to clean up. I love that when the sun hits it, it does have this little bit of a iridescent look to it, which is really pretty. We recently traveled and I was able to pack these into my suitcase so that I can enjoy my favorite drink outside next to the pool. These martini glasses will have you feeling fancy, whether it's a non-alcoholic drink or a martini or a margarita. You can enjoy it in this glass. The size of the cup is just perfect. It really fits in the palm of my hand just beautifully. At the bottom of this martini glass, it has a circular base, which really keeps it sturdy and stable, but also makes it very easy to hold. So if you've been on the hunt for the perfect martini glass, then I would highly recommend this 6-pack of stemless martini glasses from Amazing Abby. And that's my point of view.